If you've tuned into the Silly Kitchen before, you know that I am not a baker. I don't enjoy it. I don't like it. It sucks. I'm just kidding. It doesn't suck. I like when other people do it and I get to enjoy it. But I have been obsessed with oats lately, and who doesn't like a nice treat every once in a while? So I'm gonna go through a recipe that I really enjoyed making. It is a no-bake cookie using oats and peanut butter. Let's get this going. You can find the exact measurements in the description of this video and on my website, but I am simply putting together instant oats, some cocoa powder, some coconut sugar, some unsweetened shredded coconut, a pinch of salt, a little bit of vanilla, a swirl of avocado oil, almond milk, and then to put it all together at the end, I melt the peanut butter, and that kind of holds everything together. You got to make sure that you give it a really good mix. Make sure that all of those ingredients come together, because eventually you will get this thick, sticky consistency, and now it is easy to make little sort of cookies or balls or little oval shapes of yummies. But that's pretty much it. You just need to let them cool down, and if you want to add a little festive flair, add a little bit more shredded coconut. Super easy. Yes, there's some measuring, but it is worth it because these little guys keep in the fridge for like a week if you're gonna let them last that long. And for a non-baker, a no-bake cookie like this is just what I need. I'm gonna go ahead and eat like 17 of these. If you're a fan of peanut butter, oats, and not turning on the oven to make dessert, I think this is a recipe for you. It's definitely one that I actually enjoyed making and even more enjoyed eating. Thank you so much for joining me on The Silly Kitchen. I hope to see you again soon.